Practical Business is back, and before anything, we'd like to greet our viewers in Taiwan, Brunei, China, Hong Kong, Mongolia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Japan, and South Korea, and all the other territories where you can watch by way of GSAT. Anyway, back to our discussions, and we received a lot of text questions from our viewers. I'll read a few questions for Mr. Perez first. Okay, this one is from Tonton of Makati. Mr. Perez, how much is the rental fee for your costumes? How much do you charge for customizing an outfit?
Well, actually, our rentals is very reasonable. Average rental starts at 850 pesos. That's the rental fee. But we ask for a security deposit of 1,000.
May bond.
Yes, that is to ensure naman that you will bring back the costume. That's refundable.
800 a day?
850 for 3 days.
3 days?
Yes. It's not per day. You have it for 3 days.
3 days.
So, hindi, over one Halloween, hindi pwedeng recycle ng recycle. No?
Oh, hindi naman
Because
yung...
kailangan nyo pa dry clean. Anyway,
Yes.
this one is from Donnie from Quezon City. Is it easier to get established in costume making than mainstream fashion?
Well, it's also hard because it's a niche market.
Right.
But you really have to love what you're doing. And there's also a season, hindi siya year-round, no? But there is a market.
So research yan talaga, no?
Yes.
Because kailangan historically correct, lalo na pag period costumes.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, okay, this one is from our Suki, from Mr. Armel Santos of Taytay Rizal. Christmas is around the corner. How much is the rental for your costumes? Na you answered that already, no? Do you assist companies on themed parties? Uso na yung
Actually,
themed parties.
we have a
Thank
lot
you.
of companies who really come to us because they have themes for Christmas.
Yeah.
If you come early, we can help you. And one thing we do sometimes is if we don't have that costume, we can make it for you and you can rent it.
Oh.
Kaya mas mataas lang ng konti ang rent, but made to measure sa'yo.
Okay
Diba?
yun.
For example, you wanna be Queen Elizabeth, hindi mo gusto yung
Wow, I
nandun.
like that.
We can make you a customized one for you and just rent it.
Okay, so...
Gangnam pwede?
Gangnam style.
Gangnam style.
Pwede.
I will ask you later what that is. No, I've been hearing a lot about that, but I really have no clue. As
Hello?
To what that
Miguel,
Open the internet.
where do you live?
is. Okay, this one is from LV from Sampaloc, Manila. Good AM. Nice to know Camp Suki is still around. Saan na po kayo lumipat?
Okay.
Okay, from Sampaloc, Manila. Ito,
Yes.
malapit dun sa because
Sa
when
the
I went
old
to school
one.
before, nadadaanan ko yung...
A
sa
lot
may
of people
welcome.
think we're still in Quezon City in E. Rodriguez. We're not there anymore. We are at number 88 4th Street, New Manila, Quezon City, right beside Mount Carmel Church on Broadway.
Mount Carmel. Yeah.
The big church on Broadway, we're right beside it.
Okay.
In Manila.
This one is from Milt from Project 6 QC. Sir Lito, I have a talent for making costumes but wondering lang kung may career ba dito. Thanks po. From Milt.
I think there is a career because especially now, I see a lot of kids yung doing cosplay.
Yeah.
And alam ko na there are some in the internet, they specialize in making customized costumes, especially yung mga anime.
Oh,
Especially,
yeah.
you can actually specialize in that kasi there's a niche market for that talaga.
Okay. This one is from Jack Magpantay of QC. Do they also rent out costumes for babies?
Yun lang, medyo mahina kami in that sector. But, as I said, we can make new costumes, like especially for a toddler, and you can rent it. Or you can also buy it reasonable rate lang naman.
Okay.
Customized.
This one is not a question and no name, no? Pero I'll read it anyway because it's attributed to you.
Okay.
Ang ganda ni Ma'am Telma
Ay,
Dumpit.
salamat po.
Hindi sinabi kung taga saan, kung lalaki siya o babae siya. Basta ang ganda ni Ma'am Telma Dumpit.
Sino kaya yan? Wala naman ako sinabihan
Secret
na manood.
admirer.
You have a secret admirer. Okay.
Thank you, sir or ma'am.
Anyway, this is from Armel again of Taytay. For Miss Telma, how about prices of ham?
Ham.
Do you have an SRP? Who is in charge of monitoring the defective weighing scales on supermarkets and public markets? Sumasama ako dati sa raids ng mga
Oo.
ganyan na as a reporter, no? Usually, yung Secretary of DTI pa ang
Yes.
namumuno, no?
Oo, secretary.
Ngayon,
Tapos-
parang malamig na on the weighing scales.
Hindi. Kasama lahat yan. When they go visit supermarkets, and then they also check on the weighing scale kung ito ba calibrated. Meron kasing ano yan yung regular calibration, di ba?
Meron
Yung
silang
mga weighing
internal,
scale.
parang internal ombudsman dun sa mga palengke that checks that. Pero
Right.
iba pa rin yung...
And that falls under BTRCP, si Director Dimagi ba? Trade Regulation and Consumer Protection.
So more or less na monitor pa rin yun.
Yes.
Lalo
of
na ngayong
course.
Pasko dahil kasi a few
That's our mandate.
grams lang.
Oo, that's our mandate, Miguel.
This is from Suzy naman of CDO. CDO, Cagayan de Oro yan. Miss Telma, what can DTI do to monitor or regulate group buying sites?
Ayun.
Ano ba to? Internet ba to? Group buying sites siguro.
Oo.
Internet. Ang dami na kasi. Dapat siguro may endorsement from DTI. This is from Suzy
Right.
of Cagayan de
Ah,
Oro.
Yan po ang aming pinakahuling advisory na bago po kayo bumili sa isang internet site, you have to check with the DTI kung ito po ay isang lehitimong kumpanya bago po kayo mag-patronize ng kanilang mga produkto doon. As a way of checking and being aware whether this company is legit or not.
Maraming scam.
Yeah, there's a lot of internet scam.
So, that's one thing going for yung cybercrime law, no? Dahil kasi
Right.
nakatutok tayo sa cybercrime law, puro libel. Dahil gusto nila makabatikos ng libre ng walang consequence, no?
Oo.
Pero there are economic things, meron mga bagay na
Oh,
economic
sure.
significance. Like yung identity theft, yung mga nakukuha yung credit card numbers mo,
Oo.
aside pa yung mga nagpo-post ng mga bastos dun sa nakuna nila yung isang tao on the na compromising position, no? Tapos
Oo.
minsan napo-post nila.
Right.
So marami talagang yung internet is a new frontier, is relatively new. So marami rin mga hindi magandang nangyayari. So under current laws, anong actionable ba yan? Yung mga scam na yan sa mga group buying sites or whatever you call that?
Well, it's a crime. So, estafa yun.
Staffa pa rin.
Oo,
yun, no?
estafa pa rin yun.
Even without an enabling law dun sa cybercrime, the fact na niloko mo ang tao,
Estafa.
nawalan siya ng pera,
Oo.
staffa.
Correct.
Alright. This one is, pareho ba to? Tina of CDO. So, Cagayan de Oro na naman. Okay.
Oo.
Miss Telma, suggestion lang po, baka pwede rin tanggalin ang expiry date ng cell cards kung pwede sa GC, pwede rin po sa cell cards from Tina
Nako.
of CDO.
Oo. Pinag-iisipan yata yan ng NTC kasi hindi nasakop ng DTI yung cell cards. So, it is something that the National Telecommunications is also considering, and they are talking with the telecom providers. So, hindi pa ho natin alam kung mabibigyan o mapagbibigyan yung inyong kahilingan.
Pero magandang idea.
Oo.
Anyway,
At saka lalo na ngayon, di ba, ang bilis maubos ng load.
That's true.
Oo. Hindi mo pa,
parang wala na yung pulse eh. Ako,
parang
tinitingnan
hindi
ko.
mo
Pero,
pa nagagamit eh.
ah,
Ubus na, yung pala. At saka ang daming nagpapadala ng mga hindi mo naman kakilala. Do you get that on your cell phone?
yung,
Yeah.
okay.
Asking for loan.
Right.
Pero I was talking to some of our friends in the industry, sinasabi nila, marami daw tao na nahahack na yung system with their computers and all that. No? Of course, that remains to be seen. Pero the NTC should really address that as soon as possible. Anyway, this one is from, matatapos na tayo. So, NAP from Mandaluyong City. DTI always saying, basic goods stable, but it's going up. Why not freeze prices on XMAS?
Ay, hindi po
Pwede
namin.
basta-basta yun eh.
No. The only time that you can freeze prices is when
Calamity.
an area is
Yun.
declared as a calamity area.
Otherwise, it's free enterprise.
Yes, yes.
Yan ang incentive ng isang. Anyway, from Imelda from QC, good ma'am. So, hindi ba pwede one na lang business permit sa SME kasi gobyerno naman lahat? I think na
One business permit? What do
so,
you mean?
siguro ang sinasabi niya dito, centralized yung mga permits.
That's the direction that we
Yun
are
ang direction.
going. Oo.
With
Ito-
internet, no?
Right.
Okay.
Online.
So, Kim from QC, yun ang direksyon
Yes.
na papunta.
So
Kaya
in the
lang-
future, you will be able to register your business through your home computer, and then when you go to DTI, babayaran mo na lang.
Babayaran mo na lang.
Oo.
So, mas tipid din sa transportation costs.
Yes. Tsaka oras, di ba?
Okay, Kim from Cainta, bakit hindi na napag-usapan na natin. Bakit hindi na mahigpit government sa weighing scale? Marami daya sa wet market. Well,
Nako, kung meron po kayong naobserbahan na ganyan, isumbong po ninyo DTI Direct 751-3330. Yan po. Kasi hindi naman natin mababantay lahat ng palengke at all times dahil kulang na kulang din tayo sa tao. So, kailangan po tulungan po ninyo ang DTI. You can just call us, text us, or email us. Tapos kami na po ang pupunta doon.
Thelma, ito naman question ko. May nagsasabi na ngayon yung chicken is, yung supply, medyo may problema yung supply ng 45-day-old chicken. Alam ko this is a Department of Agriculture concern.
Oo.
So what you see in the market at the bigger chicken na medyo mas mahal. So there's a concern. Siguro iniisip nila baka hino-hoard yung mga quality chicken for December.
Okay, iimbestigahan po natin yan. And we will also coordinate with the DA kasi nga DA concern yun.
Okay. Another question, pahabol. Lagi tayo may pahabol question pero did not write their name or ano. How about parking fee on malls? Some malls charge hourly rates and not fixed rates. Okay,
Parking
Thelma.
fee.
Parking fee.
Nako, wala rin ho yata
Prop-
tayong control dyan kasi
Private
yung
property.
nag-i-invest dun sa property na yon, syempre gusto nilang mabawi yung kanilang puhunan. But nonetheless, we will just papaabot natin yung inyong concern doon po sa kinauukulan.
Anyway, I recommend that kung malakas pa katawan niyo, you just commute to the malls this Christmas dahil walang parking sa malls. Mapapark ka sa
Ang
malayo.
hirap talaga.
Tsaka
Oo.
iikot ka nang iikot, mauubos yung ano mo.
Gasolina.
yung gasolina mo.
pasensya.
At oras.
At yung pasensya. Tapos yung pag medyo mainit pa ulo ng mga tao, nandyan yung mga away-away. Anyway, on that note, we hope today's show gave you some useful and potentially life-changing ideas. Hindi lamang sa pagnenegosyo, no? Kundi how to be a smart consumer. Di ba, Thelma? Anyway, join us again next Thursday at 11 a.m. for another hour of insightful discussions and business news here on this show. Anyway, in the internet, our website is www.practicalbusiness.tv. That's www.practicalbusiness.tv. And please like Practical Business TV on Facebook. Okay. I'm your host, Miguel Hill. Have a pleasant day.